power and how he brings people together. So let's start with a prayer, and then we'll get right into it today. So let's pray. Let's bow our heads. God in heaven, thank you so much for your great love and encouragement. Thank you so much in a special way for the entire Sanchez family.
Yes, God.
Thank you so much for the children that are here. I pray that you continue to bless them in their journey of faith. Thank you so much, God, that you brought Luis and Yuni here at this time. And thank you that Yuni is about to get baptized and to get her sin forgiven forever. I pray that you continue to build up her faith. And thank you for Luis and his open heart and his desire to come back to you. I love you. We pray this in your son's name. Amen. Hello, everybody. So, first of all, I just wanted to start off and share about Luis really quickly. That Luis was baptized into Christ 18 years ago. But the last 10 years, as we are all on our journey, he wandered away from God. And a couple months ago, he had came out to church and said that he wanted to get back connected with God, which is always an exciting thing. It takes humility and courage, no matter where you are, to come back to God. And so I'm very excited to announce that as of today, Luis Sanchez is being restored to the fellowship. We are excited to embrace him as our brother and very fired up for you. Amen. And as well, his wife Judy is going to get baptized, so I'm going to send it to my lovely wife here. So.
Awesome. Well, this is a wonderful day for the Sanchez family. We just want to encourage you all. To start off, I'm going to ask Christy to share a few words about Judy and the scripture that she had picked.
All right. Take it away, Christy.
So I wrote just a few things down. Junie was attracted to the gospel and the lifestyle of Jesus. She understood at the beginning of her Bible studies that the better life that she was craving would come from following Jesus. Junie learned from Jesus how to be humble to God and people. I admire your humility. And this is a scripture that she wanted to be read at her baptism. It's in Psalms 46, 1 through 2. God is our place of safety. He gives us strength. He is always there to help us in times of trouble. The earth may fall apart, the mountains may fall into the middle of the sea, but we will not be afraid. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Well done.
Well, Judy, I wanted to share a few words as well about you that impacted me. I love that you knew God was the answer. I think for the longest time you've searched and searched, and you tried everything. And I think the biggest thing is that you recognize that there's no other way. This is the way. And you wouldn't let anything stop you from being one with God. I'm so proud of you for that. It speaks of your tenacity, your boldness, things that I know that you would use for God even more. I'm truly excited for you and how you're going to keep relying on God. I'm so looking forward to how your family is going to grow through this all, and your marriage is going to be great. I think that God's pleased. So I have a couple questions for you.
Yes.
Do you believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God, who died for all of your sins, who was raised after the third day?
Yes.
What is your good confession?
Jesus is Lord.
Amen. So because of your good confession, we can baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, so that your sins will be forgiven, you'll receive the Holy Spirit, and you will be added to God's kingdom, which is the church.
Amen. All right.
So it's pretty cold.
I know.
Sorry.
You can do this, girl.
It is cold.
Yeah.
Just,
It will be quick.
I know.
It is
quick.
super
Sit
cold.
down.
You can do this.
Oh my god.
Go like this.
Wash your
Plug your
legs,
nose.
wash your legs.
Left and dip.
One, two, three.
Remember what's happening. Awesome!
There we go.
Awesome! We are so excited.
Okay.
Oh man.
All right, everybody. Let's have a quick prayer, and then we'll let her get changed and welcome her into the kingdom. Let's pray again. Father in heaven, we thank you for the miracle that is salvation. Thank you so much for Junie, and we pray that you will fill her with your spirit continually, that she'll be rooted in the relationships, in prayer, and Bible study, to Keep her faithful for a lifetime. Father, we pray that you bless the entire Sanchez family, God. We thank you so much for Chantel and Veronica and Gabriella and Sophia and the entire children. I pray that you continue to bless the entire family, that they can grow to love you. Thank you so much for this time. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Let's do this. Thanks, Gil, for being here. Appreciate you guys.